Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Here I am using Jasmonite material. I also use the pigment paste of black and white. I only dropped a couple drops of black into the white, gave it a swirl, and then I poured and I got this beautiful marble technique. The molds was found on Amazon, but they did not come as a set. So if you're interested in the mold or the materials, please let me know and I can list them below. And here I am just demolding the sets and it came out absolutely beautiful. If you would love to see more of my work, please give me a follow.